Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the road safety in Jamaica. Now the government, or I should say the Ministry of Transport, put out an article recently about what they're doing to improve the road safety system. So we're just going to give you an update on what's going on and then we'll discuss it after. The Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport is seeking to improve road safety systems as part of ongoing efforts to reduce the number of road fatalities and accidents on the nation's roadways. Portfolio Minister Honorable Darrell Vaz said a critical aspect of improved safety systems is ensuring that safe vehicles are being operated on the nation's roads. Mr. Vaz was addressing the launch of the Crash Free 2023 Defensive Driving Workshop and Road Safety Expo at the Transport Offices in Kingston. He said the ministry and its partners are working to ensure that motor vehicles in the near future are equipped with side impact airbags, electric stability controls, crumble zones, seat belts, roof strength, anti-locking braking systems, and event data recorders, black boxes. Technology is changing rapidly, and therefore we will dialogue with the necessary stakeholders to ensure that our motor vehicles are safe and resilient, he noted. Mr. Vaz said that these improved national road safety systems are in accordance with the United Nations Safe Systems approach, adding that the ministry is seeking to achieve these targets by 2030, when the UN Sustainable Development Goals officially come to an end. We are fully committed to reducing our road fatalities in half by then, by ensuring the relevant measures are thoroughly implemented. I will speak more about the Road Traffic Act amendments in the coming weeks because that will be a critical part of what is going to drive this mission, he noted. Mr. Vaz said that the ministry will also be intensifying enforcement of safe road practices with the support of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the Island Traffic Authority. In order to substantially stem the tide of traffic crashes, injuries and deaths, we must have both road safety education and enforcement operating simultaneously, the minister emphasized. The Crash Free 2023 Defensive Driving Workshop and Road Safety Expo is to be held on June 28th at the Spanish Court Hotel in Kingston. It is being hosted by Grinnell's Driving School in partnership with Red Stripe and other corporate stakeholders. The event is one of several activities to observe National Road Safety Awareness Month. Alright guys, so that's the end of the article. So let us know what you think about it. You can leave the comments in the section below. But the part that I find interesting is he said the ministry and its partners are working to ensure that proper motor vehicles in the near future are equipped with side impact airbags, electronic stability controls, crumble zones, seat belts, roof strength, anti-locking braking systems, and event data recorders, black boxes. Now that sounds good. That's some real cutting edge technology. I mean, I don't think probably newer cars come with those devices, but that's good. It's good. I'm not sure how they're going to implement it. They said by 2030. So maybe they'll have something where they say all new cars brought into Jamaica must meet the standard. But I know the high-end cars have those devices. I'm not sure if the lower-end cars come with all of those safety devices. But sounds good. Looks like they're headed in the right direction because accidents can happen at any time to anyone. So the more safety features you have in your car, the better it is. I'm not sure what the features are going to be the cost of the car, but definitely sounds good. And as you know, though, recently moved from the Ministry of Transport and Mining to the Ministry of Energy, Science, Telecommunications, and Transport. So there was a cabinet reshuffle recently, just in case some people are wondering what's going on. And on the show, it's no longer the Minister of Transport, it's now Darren Vance. That was also done during the cabinet reshuffle, and that was done about mid-May. We actually have a video up on it, so you can check it out. But Darren Vance is now the Minister of Transport. There's no longer Ministry of Transport and Mining. The transport portfolio is now in the Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunications, and Transport. So that's why this article had Darren Vance on. And June is Road Safety Month, so we will keep you guys updated on all that that will take place. And we're going to attend that event on the 28th of June at Grenell at the Spanish Court Hotel. And we will give you guys an update on it. And any road event that's happening, we are going to attend and give you guys updates. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. We are on the Sir Florizel Glasspool Boulevard heading towards Harborview. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.